chocolate covered strawberries from my mom as a surprise. What you'll need is some meltable chocolate, some strawberries, and the equipment needed are parchment paper to dry it. You can use any other chocolate, but I use almond bark. You're going to need at least 4 cubes. I'm going to put it in my microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I forgot. While our chocolate's melting, let's pat our strawberries dry. We have washed them in a colander. Make sure to do this very softly. It's okay if you see little pink spots on your paper. Once your strawberries are dry, let's go check on our. After 2 minutes, my chocolate looks like this. I'm gonna mix it together, and it looks so creamy and velvety. Make sure it's creamy and velvety like this. Okay, time to dip strawberries in our chocolate mixture. Make sure it's nice coated. Put it on your parchment paper. This is how you're supposed to leave space between the strawberries so they're not supposed to touch. Okay, we're going to put all of this on our parchment paper, and then we're going to put it in the fridge for an hour or 2, but you can also put it for overnight for the next day. This is how it's going to look before you put it in the fridge, and your mom will love it.